Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Storm hit New York hard as locals told to start preparing for lashing rain and thunder. The sunshine has ended in New York and that the state is set for another grey week of weather with possibility of storms breaking out throughout. Steady rain is expected to move in overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, so residents should brace for a wet morning commute. The wettest day of the week appears to be Wednesday, so make sure to pack your wellies if you are heading out. Scattered showers will likely continue as the week progresses, with a chance of thunderstorms developing. Rain is expected to persist through Friday evening into Saturday, and some of the heavier downpours may be accompanied by isolated thunder. According to National Weather Service, winds are not expected to be particularly strong, remaining at 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts reaching up to 25 miles per hour. These gusts will be especially noticeable on Wednesday, which is also expected to see the heaviest rainfall. The weather will remain unsettled through Saturday with the potential for another round of rain. Out of all the days this week, Sunday looks to be the best bet for drier and sunnier conditions. Rainfall between Tuesday night and Thursday is projected to total around 1 to 1.5 inches locally over the 48 hours period. The rain forecasted for late Friday through Saturday night is part of a separate storm system, and it is still too early to predict its exact impact. Overall, showers will be on and off throughout the week, so residents are advised to limit outdoor plans. While there are currently no weather alerts in effect, it's wise to prepare for what's shaping up to be another wet week. New Yorkers should ensure they have plenty of waterproof gear for the days ahead, including umbrellas and rain boots. One of the contributing factors to the persistent wet weather is climate change, which is leading to more frequent and intense rainfall in both coastal and inland areas. These extreme rainfall events, sometimes called cloudbursts, occur when a large amount of rain falls in a short period of time. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.